TV Kids.
Look, the dump truck is coming out. Wow, look at the color. It's a red star. The yellow dump truck is ready to go. Be careful right there. It's a yellow pentagon. Here it comes. Green dump truck. Ready? Go!
Rain, come today. You don't have to go away. What a nice day today.
It's a green circle.
Rain, don't go away.
The blue dump truck is rolling out. Go till the finish.
Rain, go away. Come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, go away.
It's a blue triangle. Here comes the purple dump truck.
Rain, come today. You don't have to go away. What a nice day today. Rain, don't go away.
The final purple square.